Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to screen mirror your iPhone to Chromecast. While there is no built-in function to do this, there is a workaround to mirror your iPhone to Chromecast. By using an app called TV Mirror, you can get this functionality on your iPhone. So open the App Store and search for TV Mirror for Chromecast. And download the app onto your iPhone or iPad. Once the app has been downloaded, open the app. Tap on Setup from the bottom to get started. And from the pop-up, tap on OK to allow the app permission to find your Chromecast. Tap on Close to go to the home screen of the app. On the home screen of the app, you should be able to see your Chromecast device. Tap on your device. In the free version of the app, you need to watch an ad in order to screen mirror. So from the pop-up, tap on Watch Ad. After watching the ad, tap on the TV mirror option. Now from the pop-up, tap on Start Broadcast. After 3 seconds, your iPhone screen will be mirrored onto your TV. Anything you do on your iPhone will be mirrored onto your TV. You can play games, watch videos, or look at photos, and they will be mirrored onto the big screen of your TV. If you turn your iPhone into landscape mode, it will also turn into landscape mode on your TV. When you want to finish the screen mirroring, simply tap on the TV mirror option again, and then tap on Stop Broadcast. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.